We just picked up our order from Hakka Cottage.
Okay, can you put that one down? I'm gonna hold this one. See, can you close the door?
Okay. This is the restaurant, Hakka Cottage restaurant. So I think it'll be good. This is the restaurant. It's, as you can see, halal and open. I'm kidding. But yeah, this is the first time we're trying this food. I think it'll be
Reviews
pretty
अच्छे
good.
थे इसके.
Yeah, the reviews are good.
Chinese और ये न्यू रेस्टोरेंट भी है और हमारे घर के करीब है, इसलिए हमने सोचा कि आज इधर से ऑर्डर करते हैं. तो घर जाके जब डिनर करेंगे तो उसके बाद ही बताएंगे कि फूड के साथ.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the gas price. 180.6 today. Every day it increases more and more.
या अभी जब हम फूड बाय करके निकले और प्राइस देखो, और ये कह रहे हैं कि $2 से ज्यादा जो है वो इंक्रीज होगी. आई डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन. विल सी.
Yeah.
गैस की प्राइस इंक्रीज होगी तो इट मींस कि हर चीज की प्राइस इंक्रीज होगी. ऑलरेडी इंक्रीज हो चुकी है.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the restaurant that we ordered at, and I'll show you the
क्या
food.
ऑर्डर क्या किए?
So this is chicken chow mein. This is, what is this? Chicken pakora? Okay, chicken chow mein, chicken pakoras. Then this is chicken chili.
With gravy.
And we bought 2 chicken chilies. Yeah, and this is also chicken chili.
Actually, that's Thai
Oh,
curry.
sorry. Oh, this is Thai curry. Never mind, it's different. Okay, this one is Thai curry.
थाई करी.
Yeah.
ये पता नहीं, इसमें चिकन है ना?
Yeah, it's chicken.
Chicken.
Like
Oh,
Thai
okay.
as in Thai food. Then this is
Rice.
white rice.
राइस हमने भी बनाया.
And this is, oh,
okay,
it's
but-
taped.
चाइनीज बनाऊंगी.
Hot and sour soup. Oh, if I can open it. Wow. Yummy. And that's all the food that we got today. Look at the whole thing if you want.
अच्छा है ऑर्डर की है.
Smells good.
तो ये फूड है.
On our new table.
और ये जो है ना हमारी न्यू आइलैंड टेबल भी है किचन में.
Yes, look at this beautiful island table.
ये
Okay,
कल
look at,
IKEA की परचेज.
we got this yesterday from IKEA, and here we have storage area. For now, we just put our baking supplies. Nothing in this basket yet, but soon. And then we put all of our pots and pans here. So right now, just one pot is there. And then if you look, this is the side, and then the other side, we already own these stools, and we just put them in, and it fits with our whole kitchen because we have a red themed kitchen. But yeah, it looks super pretty.
फूड जो है वो जाजान की पसंद का ऑर्डर किया है.
Yeah.
चलो
Okay.
जी, डिनर टाइम. प्लीज लाइक एंड शेयर माय वीडियोस. सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल. थैंक यू.